That's it, right? No sales message. I wanted to reach out to you personally. Your credibility is now here, Julia, right? Was here, now it's here. To make sure, because I wanted to make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our public speaking coaching. Whoa, founder of the company is calling me. You all are like, well, that doesn't work for me because I'm not the founder of the company. Pardon my language. Bullshit, okay? You can be whatever you want to be. I'm not saying lie about your title, but you all have people, okay? We talked about this 3 weeks ago. Hey, Matt, it's Benny over here at Acme. Wanted to reach out to you personally and make sure my people got you all the information you need on our commercial roofing services. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Versus, who would you call back? Benny number 1 or Benny number 2? Hey, Matt! My name is Benny Adams. You don't know me, but you had filled out a lead request form. I'm a BDR over here at Acme Roofing. I wanted to reach out and make sure that we answered all your questions for you. Just wanted to follow up and see where you guys are at with the project and see how I can help you. That's Benny number 2, okay? Which one are you going to be like, I don't need to call Benny back because he's a sales rep and he'll call me back to the point where I'm probably going to have to block his number or do unsubscribe on the email? Versus, hey, Matt, this is Benny over here at Acme Commercial Roofing. I wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our commercial roofing projects. I'm on my direct line, 720-660-3202, if you don't want to give out your mobile. Now, some of you may be thinking, well, isn't that disingenuous because I'm the one that has to field the leads and I know nobody's called them back? Who cares? Okay? Who cares? 1 in every 1,000 calls, you know what they're going to say? Well, yeah, I'm glad you called because nobody did call me. Totally get it. What can I get you information on? Pivot right into what can I get you information on? We want to put ourselves in a position to not do a sales pitch. We want to put ourselves in a position to go, what can I get you information on? Question number 1. What research have you done on us? Question number 2. What's your biggest reason for blank? What's your biggest reason for moving? Oh God, we hate our place right now. What's your biggest reason for needing a commercial roofer? Oh my God, it's leaking water here ever since the hurricane. What's your biggest reason for wanting speech coaching or public speaking coaching? Friday breakfast meetings. I have been working at this company for 23 years. I love it. I can't work anywhere else. I don't want to get fired, but oh my God, I got promoted. It's the worst possible thing that could ever happen to me in my life. Now I have to, I have to give a presentation to the entire company. My boss doesn't know this. They don't know this. I almost wet myself last Friday. I get all this anxiety, right? Hey, Gina, it's Julia from Speak to Inspire, calling to see if it makes sense to get you access to the coaching so we can get you feeling better before Friday's breakfast meeting. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Gina's going to frickin' sign up. Hey, if you work in sales and other people in your industry are making $250,000, $500,000, $750,000 or over $1 million a year, maybe there's people at your company that are making that. And it's not what you're making. And you always thought, hey, I should be making that, or hey, it could be a lot easier. I want to tell you right now, you should be making that kind of money, and it can be a lot easier for you. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Listen, sales is hard, but with the right process, it can be easy, and you can double or triple your income in a very short period of time. Click the link here. We want to show you what we have at eastonuniversity.com. We've got a learning portal that will take you through everything you need to know, from prospecting to negotiating to closing to building your personal brand. Everything you're going to want to know to take your income to those higher levels is right there on the interactive learning portal. And where the real magic happens is twice a week. You're going to be able to do live coaching with me. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You're going to meet professionals just like you from your industry and other industries from all over the world that are making the kind of money you want to make right now. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It is your future, and you are about to start making the kind of money you always thought you could. Click the link here. I'll see you at Easton University.